Hey Sony, thanks for continuing to make small phones, and thank you for not making them suck. Actually, that's the other way around, and the company has known how to do this for years. Reporting from MWC 2018, I'm Jaime Rivera with Jules Wong on camera for Pocket Now, and this is our hands-on of the Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact, brought to you by Invisible Shield. The great hallmarks of a flagship Xperia smartphone have also usually been packaged in a device with a screen starting with a number 4. In this case, the Xperia XZ2 Compact stands at 5 inches, but the reason this phone has actually gotten slimmer is because of the 2:1 aspect ratio, which is quite common for smartphones today, and makes it just more palmable than ever. The thing about it is, this little plastic phone is chunky for its size, at 12 millimeters thick and some 168 grams. But hey, at least it isn't glossy plastic, and it does include an aluminum trim for added sturdiness. The device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, and it's linked up to adequate memory and other specifications that we expect only on high-end flagships. The stereo speakers on the Compact should be quite powerful, hopefully as much as the regular Xperia XZ2, and the 19-megapixel camera at the back is set to be capable of shooting a crazy 1080p at 960 frames per second, as well as 4K HDR video. Okay, maybe we might be able to live with these 12mm after all if you consider the fact that you're getting a very pocketable flagship all around. Obviously, only time will tell. Expect a global launch in March and more coverage from Pocket Now shortly thereafter. While that happens, here is a word from our sponsor. Friends, our coverage of MWC 2018 continues, so follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Learn more about Invisible Shield in the link in the description. We thank them for making this coverage possible. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. You can also follow Jules at PointJules. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera, thanks so much for watching. More videos coming soon.